Here's what else we're tracking throughout this week. Mixed skies will continue, so you'll likely see that mix of clouds and sunshine throughout at least the next couple of days. We are tracking rising heat and humidity today, right about average. Later this week will be a lot closer to 90 degrees. And then multiple small rain chances, not looking at anything significant this week, but at least a chance of pop-up rain and thunder each day as we track forward. Here's a look outside. You can see what looks to be a very cloudy day here in Wausau, but it's likely due to some haze filling in the gaps between the cloud cover and the sunshine. Right now, Wausau at 79 degrees with a dew point of 56. That's pretty comfortable. We typically look at humid weather as a dew point greater than 60 degrees. That will be the case as we track forward. This evening, though, looking pleasant if you're heading outside. Here's a look at the numbers. Today, 79 in Wausau. That's just a degree below average for this time of year. No precipitation so far, but we could see some rain chances pop up. For this evening, there's a small chance of rain, mainly up to the northwest. You can see a couple of pockets of sprinkles and light drizzle, but not expecting anything significant, so you don't have to cancel any evening plans. Our rain chances remaining pretty low throughout the next 48 hours. We will eventually be seeing some rainfall throughout this week. Now here's a look at our comfort forecast. As we mentioned, we're looking for dew points greater than 60 degrees to start to turn humid. You can see the 60-degree line is right here as we move from the comfy to humid line, and that's going to continue to rise, especially after Wednesday, where we move into some more muggy or tropical air. So keep that in mind. It is going to be feeling like summer. Definitely want to drink your fluids throughout this week. Here's a look at future track. You can see mixed clouds and clearing continue as we track forward into our Tuesday. We're looking at a nice day to get outside once again with comfortable temperatures, but there might be just an isolated shower developing at times into Tuesday afternoon. Most of us, though, remaining dry throughout the day tomorrow and most of this week. Now, as we track into Wednesday, we'll see another system shaping up. This one a little bit stronger from the west. This is Wednesday morning around 6 a.m. You'll notice, though, as it tracks into Wisconsin, it kind of loses steam. So it could hold together, bring a couple of showers, but not a guarantee. In fact, the latest future track forecast not showing much across the state of Wisconsin for Wednesday. As we move into Thursday, a higher chance of rain. We'll see some more scattered showers, but still not looking at anything significant. Extended future track does show that rainfall a little bit more clear here for Thursday afternoon and evening. But we're going to have to wait and see each day moving forward. Definitely not a guarantee of rain, just a possibility. Now a look at tonight's forecast. We drop down to 57. Some light easterly winds, pretty comfortable. Daytime high tomorrow around 82. Southeast winds 5 to 10. Still in that air quality alert that runs through noon tomorrow. You can see the surface smoke hanging around for a little while longer, lessening a little bit by Wednesday, but it should still be hazy out there tomorrow. Temperatures remain in the 80s all the way up to 88 degrees by Friday and Saturday.